Morning, everyone. It's, let's see, August the 28th, and what I'm building here is a shelf unit. I've already sawn some of the wood, and it's going to be one shelf, two shelves, and it's going to hold the tooling that's scattered all over for the lathe. There's my South Bend 9-inch lathe, and the shelf is going to go right here to the right on this wall, so I have plenty of room for it. The shelf's going to be let's see, 37.5 wide by 23 inches tall. I'm going to use the French cleat system, and I'll probably put a couple of supports between these two boards right here, and really that's going to be it. Don't plan on doing anything else. All I need is a place to put some things up out of my way, and that should do the trick. So let me get started on screwing it together, which you guys don't have to watch, and we'll go from there. I'll get back to you in a few minutes. Okay, as you can see now, we have 4 openings for either drawers, well, future drawers, and the shelf put on. So it's moving right along. Just flattening things out a little bit. Great. So here we have the shelf complete, which the top shelf is 4.5 inches, the middle shelf is 9.5 inches, and the bottom where the drawers go is 6 inches. And they're all approximately 8.5 inches wide. So that looks pretty good, and the next thing I'm going to do is cut the board for the French cleat that I'm going to use to hang it. So get back to you shortly. Okay, I put up the French cleat and the shelf is ready to go. And let's see if we can get this thing mounted up there before the battery dies. Alright. Looks good so far. And we're dead on. So there you go. Only took about an hour, which wasn't bad. So now I'll stick all my lathe equipment stuff up there and we're good to go. Hey, I thank you guys for watching. Press like if you want, subscribe, and hopefully I'll have more videos coming shortly. Talk to you later. Bye now. And here it is in the afternoon. I've loaded up the shelf unit. Have most of the things that I need except for what's in my toolbox. So looks pretty good. Okay, have a great day.